Hi, this is Chris Guld with Geeks On Tour, and this video is about how to get a picture that was sent to you as an attachment in an email to show up in your Google Photos. So this happens to be my inbox for a Yahoo account, but it works pretty much the same with all inboxes. And so here is the picture within the email. Step one is tap on the picture so that it takes over the whole screen. Then you can three-dot menu and download. Notice in the upper left-hand corner there's a little arrow moving indicating that it is being downloaded. Now it's done. So that means it's on the device and Google Photos should see it. I open Google Photos and I am at the beginning and I don't see it. Well, there's two possibilities. Number one, it is in order by date, so I need to know the date that picture was taken to be able to find it. Number two, it's in a device folder, and I need to make sure that that device folder is included in my Google Photos. There is the device folder. It's called Download, and there is the picture, and yes, indeed, Backup and Sync is on in the Download folder. So I noticed that that picture is from May 1, 2018. So I can go back to my main library in Google Photos, go to May of 2018. There we go. May 1, 2018 in my Google Photos library, and there is that picture.
So to recap, if you have an Android phone and you receive a photo attached to an email, you open the email and open the photo. Tap the three-dot menu and download. Open Google Photos, tap the three-dot menu and look for device folders. Make sure the download folder has backup and sync turned on. Then note the date on the downloaded photo and you can now find it by date in your photo library.